Baytown homeowners are no strangers to Texas heat, high humidity, and fluctuating energy costs. As energy prices rise, upgrading to energy-efficient windows has become one of the smartest ways to reduce monthly utility bills while improving home comfort. These advanced windows not only help regulate indoor temperatures but also add value and beauty to your property. Here's how investing in the right energy-efficient window options can save you money year after year. The importance of energy efficiency in Baytown homes. Baytown's hot summers and mild winters make air conditioning a necessity for much of the year. Unfortunately, older or poorly insulated windows can allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, heat gain and loss through windows account for up to 30% of residential heating and cooling energy use. By installing energy-efficient windows, Baytown homeowners can reduce this energy waste and enjoy more stable indoor temperatures. These windows create a thermal barrier between your home and the outdoors, keeping cool air inside during summer and retaining warmth during winter. Top energy-efficient window options for Baytown homes. Not all windows are created equal. When choosing the best energy-efficient option for your Baytown home, consider the following types and features designed for the local climate. Double pane and triple pane windows. These windows feature 2 or 3 glass layers separated by an insulating gas, usually argon or krypton. The extra layers significantly reduce heat transfer and noise, making your home more comfortable and peaceful. Low emissivity glass. Low E glass is coated with a microscopic metallic layer that reflects infrared light while allowing natural light to pass through. This keeps your interiors cool in summer and warm in winter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. It's one of the most cost-effective upgrades for Baytown homeowners. Gas-filled windows. Windows filled with argon or krypton gas between the panes improve insulation. These invisible gases are denser than air, minimizing heat exchange and condensation while enhancing energy savings. Vinyl and fiberglass frames. Energy-efficient windows aren't just about the glass, the frame matters too. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are durable, low maintenance, and excellent insulators. They resist warping and heat transfer far better than aluminum frames commonly found in older Baytown homes. ENERGY STAR certified windows. Look for the ENERGY STAR label, which guarantees that the window meets or exceeds federal energy efficiency standards. These certified products are tested to perform well in hot, humid climates like Baytown's. How energy-efficient windows save you money. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can have both immediate and long-term financial benefits. Lower utility bills. Homeowners typically save between 12% and 25% on annual heating and cooling costs, depending on the type of window installed and the home's insulation. Reduced HVAC maintenance. Because your heating and cooling system doesn't work as hard, it lasts longer and requires fewer repairs. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades boost resale appeal and property value, a significant benefit if you plan to sell in the future. Tax credits and rebates. Many utility companies and government programs offer energy efficiency incentives for installing qualifying windows, helping you recoup some of the installation costs. Comfort, aesthetics, and environmental impact. Beyond financial savings, energy-efficient windows improve your daily living experience. You'll enjoy consistent indoor temperatures, less condensation, and quieter interiors. They also block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Moreover, by lowering your energy consumption, you're reducing your home's carbon footprint. Choosing sustainable window materials like fiberglass or recycled vinyl further contributes to environmental conservation, a win for both your wallet and the planet. Choosing the right installer in Baytown. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not installed properly. Hiring a professional window installation company in Baytown ensures airtight sealing, precise fitting, and long-term performance. Look for contractors with strong local reviews, ENERGY STAR partnerships, and experience handling the Gulf Coast's climate conditions. Final thoughts for Baytown homeowners seeking to cut energy costs and enhance home comfort. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a wise and lasting investment. With the right combination of glass coatings, frame materials, and professional installation, you can enjoy a cooler home, lower utility bills, and peace of mind knowing your home is both efficient and eco-friendly. Switching to energy-efficient windows isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a more comfortable, sustainable, and valuable Baytown home for years to come.